फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग ब्राविया इंग्लिश बुक का क्लास 2 का लेसन 9 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 63। लेसन का नाम है टेडी बियर्स। स्टेप अहेड। ए लॉन्ग टाइम एगो देयर वाज ए मैन नेम्ड टेडी रूजवेल्ट। ही वाज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका। He liked hunting very much. One day, he and his friends went to a forest. They searched for 3 days for animals to hunt. The forest was very thick. They searched a lot but could not find any animals at all. The next day, one of the men and had an idea. They went deep into the forest with their dogs. The dogs caught the smell of a bear. They ran in the direction of the smell and chased down an old bear. The old bear was easy to capture. It could not run. It could hardly walk. The men tied the bear to a tree. Then they called the president and gave him a gun. Mr. President, said the man, here is a bear for you to shoot. The president looked at the bear. It was weak and hurt. He felt sad for the bear. He did not want to kill the helpless old animals. I do not want to shoot this animal, he said. It is already in a lot of pain. He put the gun away. Soon everyone in the country came to know the story. इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 63 का रीडिंग समाप्त हो गया। अब पेज नंबर 64 का रीडिंग हम लोग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 64 यानी कि 64। दे सेड द प्रेसिडेंट was very kind to a sad old bear. People read the story in newspapers. They saw cartoons on it. They talked about it in shops and at home. One shopkeeper, a man called Morris Mighton, used to make toy bears with his wife. He wrote a letter to the president. He asked, "Can I call my toy bears teddy bears?" Please. President Teddy Roosevelt said yes. Since then we have called them teddy bears. इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 63, 64 साथ ही लेसन 9 समाप्त हुआ। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे अन्य विद्यार्थी को भी इस चैनल के बारे में बताएं, क्योंकि हमारे चैनल पे आपको क्लास 1 से लेकर क्लास 6 तक के ब्राविया इंग्लिश बुक के लेसन पेज बाय पेज, लेसन बाय लेसन, पोएम वाइज पोएम आपको हिंदी में लिखे हुए शब्द मिल जाएंगे, जो शब्द अंग्रेजी के आपके बुक में लिखा हुआ है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।